Thanks for having me.
Of course. So today we're going to be talking about preventative maintenance and asset tagging. So Dave, would you mind starting off by talking about what asset tagging is?
Yeah, mobile asset tagging really is the replacement of manual entry and managing spreadsheet for asset management. The mobile app uses an optical character recognition code that scans and reads HVAC, water heater, and additional asset data plates, allowing you to aggregate thousands of data points up to a central reporting standpoint, allowing for property owners and operators to strategically plan towards their assets and their goals.
That sounds like a really quick process that can end up saving you a lot of time and money.
Yeah.
So how can asset tagging help you with preventative maintenance?
Yeah, not only do you collect the information on the data, but with a unique identifier QR code, it allows you to create action items for those assets, including preventive maintenance. Tracking and ensuring quality preventive maintenance has been a challenge for ages, and whether it's from holdovers to ensuring something as simple as a filter change out is happening. If you're watching this, I'm sure you've walked a property where filters are being changed out, quote unquote, but you walk the site and you find 3 years of paint painted over the rim of the filter. And with checklists, it allows you to go through and customize what you're trying to accomplish and track that with photo requirements of before and after. Really ensuring that your preventive maintenance is being done and extending the life cycle of that system.
I can see how asset tagging is really important for anticipating those repairs and replacements. So with all that said, who do you say benefits the most from asset tagging?
Really any property owner with 20 plus properties. Managing 1,000 plus assets can be overwhelming, and the asset tagging really creates an environment for customers to get ahead of the game, whether it's end of life cycle replacements or managing the continual energy efficiency and refrigerant requirements, and really look at moving operational funds to capital funds and just optimizing their spend.
Gaining insights into your system must be really important for those who are managing multiple systems at once. So that's all I have for you today. So thank you, Dave, for talking a little bit about asset tagging and preventative maintenance. And we hope to see you all next month for another PropTech video.
Thank you.
Thank you.